Hey guys, how's it going? How to create PIN on Facebook Messenger or PIN. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the three bars at the top left after you enter, of course, the Messenger, and click the settings gear at the top right. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the privacy and safety in the first section. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna be able to see an option that allows you to see right here in end-to-end encrypted chats. And basically what you're gonna see right here, message or secure storage, right? So click on it, and basically what you're gonna do after you turn on the secure storage, what you're gonna do, you're gonna enter your PIN to sync your chat history. So basically once you do that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to secure your storage on Messenger. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.